Here we will see list in C#. In C#, list is a class, that is, it contains its own property and methods that we can use in our programs. List is a collection of strongly typed objects, and these objects can be easily accessed using their respective index. Index-based access provides the flexibility to sort, search and modify list elements as needed, which makes a list a versatile and dynamic data structure for managing collection of data in modern C# applications. It is a fundamental and widely used collection type in .NET framework, which resides within a system.collection.generic namespace. Before using list in program, you must import the namespace system.collections.generic in your project. General syntax for defining a list is list object name equal to new list, where list class constructor is used to create a list object of type T. It can either be an empty or take an integer value as an argument, which defines the initial size of the list, also known as capacity. If no integer is passed in the constructor, the size of the list is dynamic and grows every time an item is added to the array. You can also give an initial collection of elements when initializing an object. Object name is the name of the list object. New is the operator which is used to create a new object, and T declare the element type in the angle bracket. T can be of any data type, that is string, int, etc. Different methods with list objects are add, which adds an item to the list. Content method check to see if the list contains a given item and return a boolean value. Index of method looks for an item in a list and return the index of the first occurrence of the item if it exists, and returns -1 otherwise. Reverse method reverses the elements of a list. Sort method rearranges the elements of a list into ascending order. Remove method removes the first occurrence of a specified object. And toArray method returns an array containing the elements of the list. Key features of list in C# are: list can grow a string dynamically as elements are added or removed. It allows duplicate elements and accepts null values for reference types. It provides built-in methods to add, remove, search, sort and manipulate elements. List is not sorted by default. Elements are accessed using zero-based index. The capacity of list grows automatically when needed by the reallocating the internal array. It is a generic equivalent of array list by implementing iList for type safety.